friends, welcome to Nidhi's Kitchen. Today I am going to share the recipe of Modak. Modaks are sweet stuffed dumplings offered to Lord Ganesha during Ganesh Chaturthi puja. So, the ingredients needed to make Modak are 2 cups of grated coconut, 1 cup of jaggery, grated or powdered, some chopped dry fruits, 2 teaspoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup of rice flour. Now let's start making the stuffing. Heat 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan. Add in the grated coconut and jaggery. Mix well coconut and jaggery and continue to cook on medium flame. Keep stirring the mixture and saute them together until both blend well and the mixture turns thick. As the mixture thickens, add in the cardamom powder and the chopped dry fruits. Mix them well, and now the stuffing is ready. Switch off the flame and set it aside to cool. Now let's start making the dough. For that, pour 1 cup of water in a pot. Add 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. Once the water starts to boil, turn off the flame and add in 1 cup of rice flour and mix it well. Now cover the pan and let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the mixture into a white plate. Now grease your hands with some ghee and knead it to a soft dough. Cover the dough with a damp cloth, and now let's start making modaks. Take a small portion of the dough and start to spread the dough using the thumb and the fingers of both the hands and make a circular disc. Now dip your fingers in water and pinch off little dough on the outer side of the disc to make pleats. And now put around 1 tablespoon of stuffing in the center and bring together all the pleats and join them to give the shape of the modak. This way we will make all other modaks. As you can see, I have stuffed all the modaks and now they are ready to be steamed. Now take a deep pan, add in 1 cup of water, put the stand and let the water boil. Now take a white dish, grease it with ghee and place all the modaks in it. When the water starts to boil, place the dish in the pan, cover the pan and steam modaks for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes of steaming, switch off the flame and take out the dish. You can see the delicious modaks are nicely steamed and are ready to be offered to Lord Ganesha. I hope you will like this recipe. Please give your feedback in the comment section below. Ganpati Bappa Moria.